Hey guys, so I've been asked by a couple of viewers from the YouTube channel to have a day in the life of Fix-A-Fence LLC. So that's what this video is about. So there's lots to a day in the life of Fix-A-Fence LLC. It starts in the morning with a routine. I get up in the morning, I read the Bible and I pray. And then I get up and I have breakfast, and then maybe take a snooze before everybody shows up. But no, I get all the paperwork ready. I get all my addresses and my map down where I'm gonna go, all the orders for the guys, get that going. And then from there I wait for everybody to show up. Bring the batteries out, because these guys, we use these DeWalt batteries on all our stuff. Anyway, so yeah, I charge them up at night when they get them done, and here we are. And then I put them in the truck in the morning for them. Then got the orders for them, what they need to do today. So I lay that out, give them a map, and draw things out as best I can with my chicken scratch. Okay, we get our tools going. It's a nice little DeWalt miter saw. And after we get the cruise paperwork going, come back here, they get all their, this is where we keep all the tools. Stuff like that. My camera's on top of my head. I'm gonna have this guy here, he's gonna stay behind today. I don't have enough work out in the field today, but I'm gonna have him stay behind and weld up some flange posts for us. Got a bunch of these flanges down there, and we're gonna have a welding party here. We have some flange posts going. Getting their tools going in the morning. As you can see, we got all those signs up there. I don't know where we get them from, but we keep collecting them. I think it helps out the morale a little bit, as far as I know. You can find them all over the place. You can stop sign here, Oh yeah. See, we got Reliable Fence Construction up there. These are all the dead soldiers, man. All the dead soldiers. These I look at these guys as they're on fences that we took down that they didn't want to go back and fix. There's a lot of them up there. Oh, well, except for Fix-A-Fence. That's top of the line, baby. We're there fixing everybody's fences. Hey,
I actually found one of those. That's fucking cool, dude. I found one of those. That is badass.
That's fucking professional.
Yeah, I found one of those once.
Yeah. Yeah, it's like,
So no matter what angle you
I know, right?
What's it called? A gimbal?
It's a gimbal. It's for movies, for filming, So I can come and watch you guys and keep it all steady. You know what I mean?
That's cool, man.
Got like a gyro in it or something?
Yeah, it's cool, man.
Dude, that's badass, dude.
I know, come on.
This is our yard.
I know we gotta lock this thing up.
Gotta lock it up because thieves around here steal.
Hello.
Hi Lexi, this is John at Fix-A-Fence LLC.
Hi, John.
Hi, how are you today?
I'm doing good. How about you?
I'm well, thank you. Hey, I was calling in reference to our appointment we have set up today for about 11:30.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, well, hey, I'm over here about, my goodness, where am I at? Division and 111th and Division. So anyway, I just want to give you a heads up, let you know that I'm heading your way, and I should see you shortly. How's that?
Awesome. Sounds great.
All right, thanks, Lexi.
See you in a bit.
Bye.
Thanks.
Okay, so I got the crew that came back.
We got his lunch.
What's he eating? Oh, what do you got there?
Crackers.
Crackers? Right on. Did you get a lunch in here with Fix-A-Fence or no?
No.
No?
Well, yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
When we get a chance.
I know, right?
I'll work in the way. Aaron, no boy.
What do you got going on here, Trout?
Oh, trying to make a girlfriend, but it ain't working out.
You what now?
Making a girlfriend.
A girlfriend?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you can't weld one to them. Look at this stuff over here, guys. What do you did? See, we got stuff going on here. There you go. That's it. That's what I want to see. Okay. A little bit of weld in there today. Right in the middle. Give yourself a little reference point. Got the champion out. Gas mid welder. This is what we do. I gotta put them both in the mail.
Yep.
Done with both of them?
Both of them are done.
Right on.
Yeah. And we had to use the old hinges on that gate because they were too big. The new ones were too big around. We didn't have a drill bit big enough that it wouldn't be too big.
But she's happy. Was she there?
Yeah, she was on the phone.
Okay.
She waved at me when we left. So.
Good enough. I'm in the bill. What's that now? Yep. What are those for?
For the pipe.
For the pipe.
Put the pipe on and make sure that you're lined up center.
There you go.
You can just look from the outside. You're holding it by yourself.
Right? Yeah. Nice little welding shop we got going on here. All right. Well, now I'm going back to the paperwork. A lot of paperwork to do. I just wanted to come out here and say got a crew in, so.
I need like a piece of fruit.
You need a piece of fruit?
Yeah, potato or.
Oh!
Oh yeah.
There you go, look
John
at that.
3:16.
John 3:16, for God so loved the world. He gave his only son. Whoever knows it.
What's automatic injection?
Yeah. Huh? Yeah? Right on. Well, thank you. Yeah, that's all it was.